What's up, chicken wing fans? Today I've got a treat for you. I mean, look at these guys. Golden brown, super crispy. Give you a close-up of that skin there. I mean, tell me that's not mouth-watering right there. These guys are cold smoked, and then we finish them in some tallow. They're gonna be delicious. Let's get into it. So let's get our wings prepped here. We're using just some organic pre-cut wings. You can buy whole wings and cut them up. You can even keep them whole. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prep them on this rack. A little bit of cooking spray. The reason why we're doing it on the rack real quick is I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna throw this right on our Yoder. Today we are running Bear Mountain, what are we running? Oak, sorry. We're running some Bear Mountain oak pellets today. Today I'm running at 150. Why are we running at 150? We wanna get the most amount of smoke possible. When you run at a super low temp, we're not gonna cook these guys very quick. But we're gonna get some extra smoke because today it's not about cooking them on the pellet grill, it's about smoking them on the pellet grill, and we're gonna deep fry them later on. So first things first, get out our wings and we'll lay these guys kind of out. Forgot to put a glove on. I got a little excited. I love me some chicken wings. And today what we're doing is we're going to use some good old Lowry seasoning salt there. This is really good on chicken. You could add some other stuff as well, but today we're gonna keep it simple. Probably gonna put some sauce on these. I like sauce on my wings. And we'll get out our pepper cannon here. Give these guys a flip over. Okay, look real quick here. See, there's a piece of bone here. It's stuck to the skin, okay. Just when you get pre-cut ones, sometimes you can have a piece of bone there. This is stuck to the skin, so you're not gonna eat it, but just be aware that that might be there. If it was just touching the meat and hanging there, you'd wanna get rid of it so you don't bite into it. And again, same treatment here. A little bit of pepper. That's it. Super simple today. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these out. We'll put them on our Yoder. As I said, we're gonna take this whole top rack here and we're gonna put it on the top rack on the Yoder and let the smoke roll for probably an hour and a half to 2 hours. All right, so it's been 2 hours. I just took these guys off the Yoder. They've been hanging out on the top rack since I left you 2 hours ago. All I did was throw them up there, leave it set at 150, set my watch for 2 hours and walked away and did some other things. Now I just pulled these out just a minute ago. As you can see, they've got some nice color to them. They've definitely picked up some smoke flavor, which is exactly what we want to see. They're not crispy. We're gonna fix that. So today what we're doing is we're using some of this Wagyu tallow. If you watch any barbecue YouTube channels, you've probably seen it. You can get it on Amazon. But lately, there's been a little bit of a shift where people are moving back to animal fats. Like originally, animal fats were used a ton, and then we went into things like corn oil and vegetable oil and, canola oil and all these different things. And there's been a shift of people moving back towards animal fats because it's healthier for you. With that being said, it also gives some delicious flavor. I'm preheating. I've got about 1 tub of these in a pot, 1 tub of this in a pot right now, heating up. We're gonna heat this up to about 360. And what I'm gonna do is, because these are all nice and warm still, we're gonna drop them right in there and we're gonna fry them until we get the color we want. Let me let the tallow heat up a little bit more and then we'll throw these guys in and then we'll have a taste. All right, so we let our tallow get up to about 385, then we put these guys in. Temperature dropped quick, so we kept our heat on high and we cooked these right around 345-ish for 5 minutes. Look at that guy. Good color. They feel super, super crispy, especially that one right there. Hello, gorgeous. I'm gonna let these guys cool down. Today, I'm not gonna put any sauce on them before I try them, which is unheard of for me because I love some saucy wings, but I really wanna see what the smoke and the beef tallow together taste like. So we'll let these guys cool down for 5 minutes and then we'll have a taste. All right, here we are all plated up. I can't wait to try them. This one right here has been calling my name. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so crunchy goodness. Let's try another one right here. That, my friends, was well worth trying. Lots of times when I'm trying to get a crispy skin, I have to push up the temperatures and I lose some of that smoke flavor. With these guys, because we smoked them for 2 hours at a low temperature and then we just fried them, that smoke comes through nicely. It's not overpowering, it's just in the background, but the crunch and the nice seasoning on the skin really pops through. For not having any sauce, considering I love barbecue sauce on my wings, these are pretty damn good. Gotta say that that tallow adds some nice flavor to it. If you've never tried smoked and deep fried wings, especially with tallow, I highly recommend it. You can take that tallow and strain it, throw it in a jar, and reuse it later. You'll get many fries out of it. These are absolutely delicious. I highly recommend you give them a shot. If chicken wings are your thing, this one's in depth, but I'll tell you what, these chicken wings are phenomenal. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you soon.